Hanu Kids World. Let's go. This vehicle got repaired. Where it is? Oh, here it is. And next, here it is. Okay, let's do repair. First, separate the parts. 2, 3. Let's go. First, they will repair wires. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, lot of dust. We will vacuum it. Red to red. Blue. Yellow. Green. Completed. Next, lot of dust. Let's be removed. 1, 2, 3. Completed. Let's fix the parts. No. First we should fix this. Yes. Second. No. Yes. Completed. It's working. Let's fix the parts. 1 and 2, 3. Completed. Subscribe.